Dad, let's have lunch.
Okay. Just a minute.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Total cost for your father's surgery and follow-up care is estimated at $100,000. To move forward with his treatment, we'll need payment soon. I encourage you to look into financial arrangements quickly.
Thank you. Dad, I will do whatever it takes to get you back. Just hang in there. What are you doing here?
I heard about your father's accident. I came to help.
What's the catch? You're not exactly known for being generous.
Don't be so cold, Ivy. We're family. Half sisters, remember? Here's $100,000 to cover the cost of your father's surgery. In exchange, you'll marry Byron Carter and stay with him for a year. After that, the money's yours.
Byron Carter? The notorious playboy? The black sheep of the Carter family? Beatrice, no.
You don't have a choice. Without my $100,000, your poor old dad will be taken straight from this hospital to the morgue. The wedding's tomorrow. You're running out of time.
Wait. I'll do it.
Unfortunately, Byron has shown a little to no interest in taking over his family's business empire.
He's here! Mr. Carter is here!
Mr. Carter, what's the court's verdict?
Mr. Carter, why would you turn away from an inheritance worth millions and abandon a family business to pursue a dangerous career in race car driving? Mr. Carter!
Mr. Carter!
Mr. Carter!
So now that I'm being sued, you think the Bennett family is going to drop the wedding?
No.
What?
Wedding will proceed.
They're really that desperate to latch onto the Carter name, huh? Curious to see how they'll have a wedding with no groom.
Beatrice, the groom is 2 hours late and she's still standing there? That was me when I found a hole to crawl into already.
Thank God you're the one marrying Byron. I'm spared the humiliation of being up here.
I've done everything you asked. You have to hold up your end of the bargain.
Let's save that conversation for when the groom actually shows up. You'd better hope he does, or else you'll be collecting your broke father's corpse. Maybe an early death would free him from his misery. Let go, you bitch.
Don't you ever talk about my father like that.
You crazy bitch.
I have sent someone out to find Byron. Don't worry, Ivy. I will make sure my son shows up for the wedding.
Mum, we found Mr. Carter. It's just... he's at a party and refuses to come to the wedding.
Not you irresponsible brat. Ivy, I would understand if you would like to call off the wedding.
Miss Carter, I'd like to discuss canceling the wedding privately with my sister. Don't forget, your father's life is depending on my money. If you want to save him, you'll go through with this wedding, just like you promised.
Mrs. Carter? I'm not canceling the wedding. Find Byron and get him here to marry me.
Are you sure? He's notoriously stubborn.
I have to try.
Man, I don't get it. You got all the money to buy any car you'd ever want, and you're stuck on this piece of junk. Best mechanics in the country can't even get it to work. What's the point?
This piece of junk is more than just a car. This is my dad's last gift to me before he died. My good luck charm. And if no one here can fix it, I will find someone who can, even if I have to search the globe.
Fair enough. Wait, isn't it your wedding day? You're skipping your own ceremony.
Yeah, more like a family alliance. I'm not going to some arranged marriage. And if this girl has any brains, she'll call it off.
Byron Carter? Ivy, your bride. You're coming with me to finish our wedding ceremony.
You must be joking. Why would I listen to you?
'Cause I'll fix your car. I'll not just fix it, I'll make it better. But only if you promise to come with me.
You know the best mechanics in the world have had a stab at this thing to no avail. What makes you think you can?
Once your car is fixed, you're coming with me. Do we have a deal?
Yeah, deal.
Wrench. Socket wrench. Screwdriver.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first time I've ever seen Byron be ordered around by a woman.
It's fixed. Give it a try.
I don't believe it. It actually works. How's this possible? She fixed it.
Let's go in this car. Time to get married.
Oh, it's been hours and they're still not here. Maybe Ivy couldn't convince him after all.
This wedding is a joke. We should have known better than to think the bride would get that playboy, Byron Carter, to come. We've been here all morning.
Exactly. She's delusional if she thinks that Byron, a guy who's been with every kind of woman, would take her seriously.
I deeply apologize for my sister's actions. She's always had a habit of exaggerating.
An apology is not going to fix this mess. We've been here all morning for nothing. When she gets back, I'll teach her a lesson.
Teach who a lesson? Me? You got something to say to my wife?
What? No, it's a misunderstanding. It's a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, huh? Okay, well, I'm going to let this little misunderstanding slide, but next time you might not be so lucky.
Ivy, do you take Byron Carter as your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Will you love him, comfort him, honour and keep him in sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Mr. Carter, will you take this bride as your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Oh, Ivy, you have no idea what you've gotten yourself into.
Did you honestly think I was going to make a move on you? I have met women far more enticing, no offense. Now, since this isn't a marriage of love, let's set some rules.
What rules?
Rule number 1. We stay out of each other's personal lives.
No problem.
Rule number 2. No sex.
Okay.
You hesitated. Why did you hesitate? Were you looking forward to making love with me?
No! Of course not.
Rule number 3. This marriage, it lasts 1 year. Once your family are satisfied, we part ways.
Agreed. But I have a condition too. During this year, we remain faithful to each other. No affairs.
Great. I agree. And I'm glad we could clear that up.
It's just a year. I can do this. No matter how hard it gets, I'll stick it out for Dad.
Yo, Byron, we're heading up the strip club tonight. Tons of stunning women right up your alley. You in?
I can't. I'm a married man now, remember?
Are you serious? Come on, it's not like you.
Don't worry, I will keep him in check. I'll make sure he stays on track.
Good. I knew you were the right one. If you could get Byron to marry you, then I'm sure you can convince him to quit racing and take over the Carter family business. Don't let me down.
Wow. So my mother sent you to spy on me, huh?